yung baby ko! Nagugutom! Asa na? Sorry po, sorry. Inuulit po namin yung manok. Manahimik ka! Asa na yung fries? Babalikin kita, putang ina mo!
Anyway, anyway, anyway. Sorry babe, mukhang cancelled na yung order natin. At mukhang